Check it out, guys. This is a printer that prints soft materials, support-free, inside a gel. That's the print head right there. And it's down here, printing, inside this gel. So there it is. And the models are actually floating in the gel. This here is a vat of the gel. You think your filament is big and heavy and expensive? Try having this as your print medium. So this giant cube goes right there underneath the printer. All right, guys. There it is. So you just saw the gummy bears being printed.
So the
but gummy bears is not what this thing is making.
And really that comes down to growing business.
These are some of the prints being made here in that jelly.
You need to put inside evidence into CMMC compliance and understand that.
But it's like
white glove support, measurable results. Client experience is really about a couple things. We have an overlay team that comes in for CMMC compliance. We have other compliance capabilities as well to bring to a SOC 2 level compliance, which is actually very good.
This is a sealing prosthetic cushion liner. This is a polymetric pressing bag. I have no idea what that is, but these are very cool. And this is a really crazy printing system. Here you can actually see they took the print out of the jelly, wiped the jelly off, then they rinsed it in water, and that's it. Pretty crazy stuff.
Those projects that we did for full product. Those elements are encapsulated.
So even though it's a soft material, it can be firm. You can see this is here. Very, very strong. And this here is still strong, but soft and flexible. Here is a dust boot.
You have all my contact information on here. If you want a copy of this presentation, I'm happy to share it with you. Email it if you want to share it.